of thinking outside the box, getting creative, just be smarter. Slowing down again. Yeah, people just gotta be a little smarter now, man. And if you're building something, dude, like we're trying to do here, build it on a solid foundation. Again, people claim to really hate quote-unquote boring motorcycle influencers like the Yami Noobs and the Otakins, the IMKs and stuff like that. So they're not exciting, they don't do anything adrenaline pumping all the time that gets your heart pumping, gets you wanting to ready to go out there and do some stupid stuff, you know what I mean? But there's a reason why these guys are staying relevant, and they're increasing the value of the community. You know, so that's all I want to do is be entertaining by being myself and offering some value to the space. Yeah, like I'm really sick. Man, went to Houston, came back, throat was hurting. And honestly, some flu medicine yesterday and I started feeling better. Literally swallowing right now sucks. Throat hurts so bad. Tonight is Tuesday on twos. Planning on going, but I didn't want to ride. I was gonna probably just take my camera, take my kid, and go out there and take some photos and kind of just capture the event. This motherfucker is dropping water from his fucking truck. What the fuck is that? What is that? It's just wild. But I will say that it is a little disappointing that what the street bike community as far as has kind of become has just been almost like street bike takeovers. 100, like every title that you see is like 100 plus street bikes take over Miami, 100 plus street bikes take over Dallas, 100 plus street bikes take over all these cities, and it's just cringy roller shots of 15 plus 25 plus people on the highway doing roller shots like this, bull pumping. It's like going to meets, right? These guys are you know, they're getting paid by Dionysi to come out and to pitch tent and sell merch. Then they're getting paid on top of that by the merch. You know what I mean? It's like, this is what it's become. It's become, hey, let's go to used bike directs. Hey, let's go to Dionysi. Hey, let's go to these places where we're setting up shop. And these guys are selling merch, which is nothing wrong with that, but, and then everybody just kind of goes, and everybody tries to fight for camera time. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's it. It's so boring, man. Like, that's just boring. And at least the guys that are doing stunting, you know what I mean? Like, they have a purpose. Like, their purpose is they're trying to work on their craft. They're trying to be the best stunter, you know what I mean? They are, they're going out there and improving and working on their stuff. A lot of their events are held in closed lots, private property, where they're not out there doing that stuff necessarily. Sometimes you see Brian 636 doing it and stuff like that, Jixabra, but those are kind of like exceptions. Not everybody's doing that, you know? The only other people that I really see doing stuff like that are people that are like literally on dirt bikes and stuff, and like four-wheelers and stuff like that, ATVs and shit, that are out there on the road illegally doing it. Like, that's crazy. But these guys are usually on like closed private lots doing that stuff. It's like the complete opposite here in the sport bike world. It's like everybody's trying to do the stuff that you would see on the track. They're doing it on the road. They're trying to do it on the road. It's just not necessary, man. And again, they're going to continue to make content like that, which is cool. I love the content. I love to watch it because I'm not the one in danger. But at the same time, it's like, you know, they're getting demonetized. I don't know how many times you can get your video demonetized before they strike you. Because they're relying on the merch, they're relying on other avenues like that for you guys to support them. There's nothing wrong with that either, but it's like, just make regular content and go find get your own website, you know what I'm saying, and post your own content up like that or something like that on there. I would check my 6 right now, but pretty tight area. I don't want to lose focus and drift into the other lane or something, so you're not gonna do that. You're not gonna do that. Feels good today, baby. A whole couch on the side of the legs. Wow. When I see vans like that, I try to avoid them. Vans are car killers, bike killers, bro. People usually driving vans, especially if it's a man. If it's a dude, they definitely don't want to be in that shit. They drive angry. They want the whole world to know that they hate driving a van. Oh my gosh, it's so difficult to freaking swallow. It's crazy. Getting over? Got a signal light on trying to let them get over. I was just gonna switch with them. Yeah, my bike has been feeling so much better over the last couple of days. A lot of the pain has gone away, so I'm able to kind of do a little bit longer rides, able to sleep. Sleep better, pretty good for it. I'm kind of hoping to avoid doing anything kind of dumb to aggravate it again. Chill out. I know the sheriffs will be up here. I know the sheriffs be up here. I'm actually surprised that there's been this much cluster over here right now. Really surprised. Usually there's not. See that car coming over there, so I jump back over here. I think this flatbed wants to pull up. Get safely in front of him so he doesn't feel like he can't switch lanes because of me not stopping at this light. It's dangerous. And they all ran the red light. Crazy. That was wild. Not a cop in sight. But yeah, man, it's been an amazing ride today. Hopefully, you know, just make it home safe. But yeah, you know, you just gotta pick and choose, man. Pick and choose your battles when you're on the road. When you want to go fast, when you want to be stupid. I'm gonna slow down because the sheriffs like to be up here too. And honestly, when I was coming back, when I was coming the other way, the sheriffs were already there. I don't know if I see him there. Yeah, I see him. I don't see him there. I don't mean he ain't there. He's probably up here in the median up here. Like I said, pick your battles just like that. Like, there was nobody in front of me, you know what I mean, for like 2 football fields, or a football field. Like, that's when you go fast. There's nobody around you. When you approach traffic, start slowing down. We got some goodies. We got some goodies for the bike, some upgrades. The bike is gonna get dropped. The bike is gonna get dropped pretty soon. Oh, I'm so glad I didn't go that way earlier. I knew I saw the traffic forming. Must have got a bit of bad wreck down there. But we got the lowering link, the fully adjustable lowering link. I just bought the kickstand. I didn't go to Brock's, but I just bought the kickstand from T-Rec today. So that's gonna be coming. We got the sprocket, the chain conversion, the 520 chain conversion kit. Went 2 up in the back, kept the front stock.